guys, Susie Nelson with AffiliateMarketingInformant.com, and welcome to my Flying Builder review by Anjani Kumar. Kim and I have spent a few hours going over this product and its training so that you don't have to. If you want to know if Flying Builder is going to create websites quickly and easily with no monthly fees and it's 100% beginner friendly, then you've come to the right place. In this Flying Builder review, I'm going to show you what they promise. We're going to take a real look inside, what you need to know before you buy, the OTOs and the pricing, and my personal opinion of Flying Builder by Anjani Kumar. As your affiliate marketing informant today, I'll be informing you of everything you want and need to know about affiliate marketing. If this video helps you out, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe below so you know when our next video comes out, and comment. We'd love to talk to you. If you're trying to make money online as a beginner affiliate marketer, then I have some honest and effective training in the link in the description below. This training is incredibly detailed and it shows you exactly how to build an honest online evergreen business, bringing you traffic, leads, and sales. Go ahead, click the link below. It's 100% free and 100% awesome. Let's get started. Here we can see on the Flying Builder's sales page, they ask us, are you struggling to put together a beautiful website? You can create stunning professional websites easily within minutes, even if you have zero tech skills or past website building experience. If this sounds interesting to you, then stick with me because I'll be breaking it down. Here we are on the dashboard of the Flying Builder. You can see your total designs. They have a fact section, your training videos, and inside bonuses. On the left, they also have facts, training, bonuses, and support. If we look at the training section, they do have several videos in here for you to go through. The demo video is about 3 minutes long, with each of the other videos about 30 seconds to a minute and a half. This is not adequate training to really train you on what to do. So you can see this product already fails us at what we consider good training that's going to be worth your hard-earned money. To learn more about what any good affiliate marketing training should have that you should actually pay for, then check out our 5 components of good affiliate marketing trading video linked above on your screen right now. If we go back to the dashboard, take a look at the facts as well. You can see one of the questions is, can I host my website on Flying Builder? And the answer is no. They do not host. The next one is, can I connect my domain in Flying Builder? And no, you cannot connect your domain either. If you guys need hosting for a website, you do have the option to get a free starter affiliate website here. It comes with limitations and is meant to get you started until you can afford to pay for full hosting, which is required to have any functional website online today. Check out the video linked above here and the link below in the description for the free starter website option. Also, back on the dashboard, you have an option to create your design directly from here. They tell you what your current purchase package is, and then you have your recent websites that you can take a look at down below. To get started, we can either create our design right here from the dashboard, or we can go to create design on the left sidebar. Let's create new design. To start a new project, you would choose sections from the left, and then you would begin to build your website with any of these options that you like. We would add a navigation bar, and you can choose whichever you prefer. Next, you would choose your header. They have several templates to choose from as you scroll down. Descriptions, benefits, and whatever else you would like to put in. A subscription button. Once you move away from your choices, you can see what you have started to build, and you would scroll down to make sure it looks like you want it to. Each section you would like to adjust, you hover over and you have your options. You can move this section up or down using the directional arrows. If I move it down, it shows up underneath the section above it. You can change your background color. You can choose to view it from mobile, a tablet, or a desktop. You can also choose the positions and any other customization. If you're a techie and you would like to adjust your code, you can certainly do that. You can copy this section, and if you have two, then you can just delete as well. Once you have added all the sections that you would like to your web page, you would go to Style. If you would like to hold this tab open while you adjust, you can hit the bookmark tab and it will hold that in place while you adjust and play. On the left, it tells you exactly what sections you can work on and what you can do with each one as far as changing your font family, your font size. You can change line height, color, and you would click each section and adjust how you see fit. If you need to move the bookmark bar, you unclick it, it will go away, and you can go in and adjust for each section. For example, if you would like to change the words here, you would double click, and then you could go in and add in your information. If you would like to add an image to the background, you can. You can choose an image from the ones that they provide, or you can upload your own. If you wanted to change the navbar links, rename them. Also, when you're in the style section, if you click on the header, you can use the 4 arrow directions to drag and drop and move it around if that is not where you like it. Once you have taken the time and the effort to go through here and make this look how you like it to, you would go to pages. Here you can add a new page. In the front end of Flying Builder, you can only do 5 pages. If we take the index, click the button, you can see your page settings. You can give it a name and a title. You can change the skin, and that is your general. Next would be your SEO setting. SEO is an important strategy for any online marketer. It is one of our top 9 strategies for beginner affiliate marketers because it really does work and have the power to drive traffic to your affiliate offers for leads and sales. If you want to learn more about the SEO strategy and 8 other ones that we consider important, then check out the video above called 9 Affiliate Marketing Strategies for Beginners. After you type in your meta description, your meta keywords, and you can include JavaScript with Google Analytics, you would click apply, and you also have a preloader as well. At any time, you can preview the site that you're working on, and you also have to save before you leave at any time. Otherwise, your work will be gone. You can export or import. You can FTP publish, putting your host, username, password, and directory in. They also have the FTPS option for the security, or you can download it to your computer. It will be downloaded in a compressed file, and you would need to go in and unzip it. That would also give you access to code. So if you would like to go in and change any of it, you could do it then. And they also have an undo button, which I have found most of these apps do not have. They do tell us that it has been saved successfully, and we can go back to the dashboard. And even after saving, it tells us that the changes may not be saved. So let's take a look. Here you could come into your saved designs, or you could just check at the bottom of the dashboard for your recent websites. You have 3 action buttons on the right. You can change the name and the description. You can edit, or you can delete from here. And if you want to preview again, you would just click on the design name, and that also gives you the option to edit it as well. If we look at our page one more time, I did put in a subscription box down at the bottom. As affiliate marketers, you know we need to have subscribers and to collect email addresses and names. To connect this to your email autoresponder, you would click on the box, click the envelope. On the left, it pops up with the options of type. So you can do a simple mail, SMTP, and then they also have MailChimp, MailerLite, GetResponse, Aweber. You would choose that, and based on whichever one you choose, you would put in the information that they are requesting to get that set up to your email autoresponder. So you can start collecting emails for your list. Also, to be compliant with GDPR and CAN spam and making sure you have consent to send emails back and forth, you would click the second box, and this would be where you could add a checkbox with text for them to consent to receiving emails. You would give the field a name. You would also make that required, but do not check it because you would need your subscribers to check it themselves. Apply, and the box is here for them to check or uncheck. You will also need to read the rules and the regulations for the GDPR and the CAN spam to make sure this box contains the wording that it is supposed to contain. Now that we know what Flying Builder can do, what makes it unique? Unfortunately, there is nothing unique about Flying Builder. There are plenty of page builders on the market. What do you need to know before you buy? I mentioned that Flying Builder is not going to host this website that they build for you. So that begs the question, what is the difference between a website builder and website hosting? I found an article on techradar.com talking about the best website builder of 2021 with an in-depth review of 50 plus services. Their views on website builder versus website hosting is that most online users probably think of websites residing at their respective web address. In reality, websites need to be stored in a physical location as well, on servers somewhere. Website hosting refers to the provisions and maintenance of these physical servers. Every website needs a web hosting provider in order to run the physical infrastructure that they depend upon to remain online. In its simplest form, a website builder only provides the tools to design a web page and is not involved with the physical web hosting at all. However, many website builders also offer web hosting, although an additional cost may be applied. Of course, for anyone that does not use a website builder to create their online portal, they'll need to source their own web hosting provider separately. Put in the most straightforward terms, a website builder affects how a website looks, while web hosting tells you where a website is physically stored. Again, if you guys are interested in a free affiliate marketing starter website, feel free to check out our link below. Again, your web hosting is where your website is stored, and your website builder is the editor or how your website looks. So how do we get started with this? If you look at this article on our website, affiliatemarketinginformant.com, it's called How to Create a Website for Affiliate Marketing the Right Way. It has a bunch of great information about the kind of website you need, how to set it up, affiliate programs you should use, affiliate products to promote, and how to increase your affiliate commission. If we scroll down, number one, again, is to find good affiliate marketing training like we have already discussed. It is super important. So to focus on the hosting and the website builder, we're going to start at number 5, which is researching a good website domain name. And this will be what you need hosted. This is also what you need the page builder for. Once you pick the correct domain name, you will need to buy it. And again, you guys can read this article on our website. After you buy it, you will need a website hosting company. We actually use WordPress, which is why WordPress is suggested, but there are a plethora of other options out there. And you can see hosting is required to have your website live on the internet. Once you have your name and your hosting, then you will need to create an affiliate marketing website. And this is the fun part. Now you have your domain name and you have your hosting and you're ready to create your website. The actual website creation process depends on the hosting company you choose. Each company will have a slightly different step on how you go about creating your website. But overall, the general idea is the same. Number 8 is creating required content for affiliate marketing websites. There are requirements for affiliate marketing websites, and in most cases, you should have an About Me, on a privacy policy, and an affiliate disclosure. Next, you would join an affiliate program and get your affiliate ID. But number 10 is what I wanted to talk to you about next. You guys are going to need to create a website content plan. And this comes into play when you're choosing your website builder. You're going to need to make sure that you have enough pages to cover everything that you want on your website now and in the future. For example, Flying Builder tells you you can have 5. Is that going to be enough for your content plan? You need to think about the future when you're planning the beginning to make sure you have enough room to grow. So with that in mind, how do we choose the best page builder for us? I found an article from webcreate.io on how to choose a website builder. Oddly enough, their first suggestion is to make a plan for your website. Take a few minutes and walk through the goals and objectives of the site you want to build. Ask yourself some questions. What is the primary function? Who is my core audience? How many pages should the website be? How advanced are the design offerings of the builder? What about the fonts and the third-party integrations? And how much traffic should my site support? And if it grows, can the web builder support this? Further down in the article, it tells us that some of the common website builder features that we need to look for are ones that enable you to customize your template, add or remove elements, change colors and fonts, add pages, integrate apps and widgets, and more. Templates, customization, drag and drop editor, and SEO tools. You want mobile responsiveness and a robust customer support. Most site builders offer an in-depth knowledge base, video tutorials, and guides to assist their users. Once you have opened an account, you can usually contact the platform's customer service support center via email, chat, and or telephone. So now that we know what a website builder versus website hosting is, we know how to create a website for affiliate marketing, and we know how to choose a website builder, let's take a look at the pricing in the OTOs. Flying Builder is going to be $17 on the front end. They are offering a couple of coupons as you try to go away from the sales page, so you may be able to get one of those. OTO number 1, I know, is going to be the unlimited version at $47. OTO number 2 is $37. I do not know what the description of that is. I could not find it anywhere. OTO number 3 is $27, and I also could not find any information on what is going to be in that either. Altogether, your total is going to be $128 for Flying Builder, which actually is a very low total for most of these products that you can purchase on Warrior Plus and JVZoo. Now let's do some vendor research. I'm here on Muncheye. you can see that Flying Builder was released on June 14th by Anjani Kumar. This is his first product release. He does not have any more planned. If we take a look at Warrior Plus, again, you can see that he launched Flying Builder on the 14th. Looks like he's made 39 sales with the one product. And again, it went on sale the 14th, so we don't have any feedback or customer reviews as of yet. It looks like Anjani is definitely a new product launcher. This is his first product, so we just don't really have a whole lot of information to know anything about him yet. Now, let's make sure we answer the questions mentioned at the beginning of the video. Will Flying Builder create websites quickly and easily? Yes, but you will still need hosting. And hosting can cost you anywhere from $3 to $100 plus per month. We prefer Wealthy Affiliate, which is a medium range, but is made specifically for affiliate marketers and comes with a bunch of must-have affiliate marketers tools that you will need to do your job well, plus hundreds of hours of training. Managing websites can be kind of technical, but Wealthy Affiliate's website hosting is really simplified, so it's easy for you. Plus, when you get stuck, just email support and they will make the update for you. Just a reminder, you can start out with their free starter website account and decide if the upgrade option is for you. And you can only make 5 on the front end, so you will have to pay the $47 for OTO 1 in addition to the $17 on the front end to get unlimited pages for your future growth. And no monthly fees. That's true, but you will have to buy the upgrades to get the unlimited pages. We just discussed that hosting can cost anywhere from $3 to $100+ a month, so you will still have extra costs with the Flying Builder. Is it 100% beginner friendly? That is true, but with any good page builder that has a lot of support like Wealthy Affiliate, you don't need experience. They will walk you through step by step and make it very easy for you. Guys, thank you so much for sticking around. You've made it to the portion of the program where you get my personal opinion on Flying Builder by Anjani Kumar. First, we need to create a plan for the purpose and the future of our website. You really want to take a moment to think of all the things you've seen on other people's that you might want, anything that you have thought of that nobody else has that you might want. But make sure you've tried to think at least 1 to 2 years ahead of how you may need to grow your website. Once you get that in your head, all of your needs, then you want to go research and find a page builder that can do all of those pages that you will need and eventually need for your business. Like I said, we personally use WordPress, but there are tons of them out there. So my personal opinion of Flying Builder by Anjani Kumar is that you don't need to buy Flying Builder to succeed with affiliate marketing today. Most professionals use the tools we have suggested here today, not a cheap product like Flying Builder. Guys, I hope this Flying Builder review answered all of your questions. If it didn't, feel free to comment below. I'll answer you as soon as I possibly can. If you like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe below to know when our next one comes out. As you guys can see, I have been as detailed in this Flying Builder review as I can. And I want to remind you again to click the link below. We know where you are in your affiliate marketing journey. You're fed up with buying shiny object after shiny object and paying for upgrade after upgrade. This training will show you the honest way to build a real evergreen business online, bringing you traffic, leads, and sales. Go ahead, click the link below. It's 100% free and 100% awesome. What have you got to lose? Thanks for watching.